Hello world and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing fantastic. In this video I'm gonna show you what I've got from IPSY. If you don't know, IPSY is a beauty box which has 3 subscription options. The first one is $12. It includes 5 travel size products. The other one is $25. It includes 5 full size products. And the other one is $50. That includes, if I'm not mistaken, 12 beauty products. I am an hipster from September 2019 and I absolutely love it. There are many pluses for beauty product lovers. The first huge plus is that IPSY sends not only the well-known products but also the ones that have great quality but are not well known in market. And the second big plus is that by paying $25 we're getting more than $100 products, so we get a big value by subscribing to IPSY. I'm sure that every girl adores unboxing, so enough talks and now it's time to do unboxing. First I'm gonna go with the main Glam Bag Plus box. It looks like this. Here's what inside. So here's the Glam Bag. I love the colors, it's summery and sun and the sky. I'm a little disappointed because in the picture it looked bigger, but that's not a trouble. Now let's go with this eyeshadow palette. It is vegan and cruelty free. By the way, I haven't mentioned that one of the biggest pluses in IPSY that they usually choose the vegan and cruelty free products. These eyeshadows are wow. Let me do a quick swatch on my hand. Look at these colors. It is so pigmenty. I love these colors. Now let's go with the next product. It is Skin Glow Duo from Galactic. These colors are so nice and fresh. The texture is creamy and light. This color is something between pink and peach. It can be worn as a blush just to give fresh glow, and this one just as a highlighter. The next product is After Mask Serum from Mad Masky. Let's see the texture. It is not creamy and not jelly. Extra smoothing, anti-aging, fitting, protecting, nourishing, pH balance. The next one is very trendy product for 2020. It is a lip oil. This packaging is cute. It smells like heaven. I will call it sweet watermelon. Wow, I love it. It has a little red tint. In summer, when I don't want to wear too much makeup, this is a perfect option for me, just to give a light glow to my lips. Now the last one in my Glam Bag Plus. It is a lip paint. Let's see the texture. Wow. The texture is so creamy, velvety, and the color is beautiful. I love dark nudes. I love lipsticks in general, but this color is gorgeous. Now it's time to open these packs from IPSY shop. The first one, I was waiting for this palette so much, and for these brushes. Whenever I see high quality brushes with affordable price, I buy them because sometimes or often I'm getting too lazy and don't wash my brushes, so it's really good to have clean brushes. If I'm not mistaken, on Huda Beauty's website this eyeshadow palette is about $30, but I've got these two for only $16. It's a great deal. Now let's go on with the brushes. Here they are. They are soft. Now let's open with this eyeshadow palette. And wow, this is my obsession. Let me just do a quick swatch for you guys. Now look at these. Look at the shimmers, look at the shine, and look at the colors. They are so rich and so gorgeous. I love, love, love. I'm just obsessed with Huda Beauty's quality and the colors and with everything. Now the other pack. There are these two eye products. The one is an eyeliner and the other one is brow liner. I've paid for these two $5. It's a normal size pencil. Let me do a swatch. Do you see the metallic shimmer of this pencil? I love it. The brow pencil. Wow, look at this, it is so tiny. It is so cute, the packaging is so nice. So let me try the color and see if it is mine. It is my brow color. It's dark brown with gray undertone. And the other is this tiny brush. And the last pack is this lip duo. The first one is a lip cream and the other one is matte lip paint. It is not my usual color. It is a warm nude mixed with orange. The texture is more watery. It is not creamy. Now let's see the other one. The color is nice, nice, nice. It smells like a bubble gum. To be honest, bubblegum smells usually remind me of something cheap, because in my childhood, when I used to use some cheap products, just smelled like this. It is a little bit sticky, but I still love it. Just a lighter version of the previous matte one. In summer, I think that glosses are more suitable than heavy matte lipsticks. This was all. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up to me, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see more beauty and fashion hacks and hauls. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Bye.